Hello and welcome to Let's Accelerate guys. My name is Tariq and I'm back again with a new video. So guys, in the previous video we learned how to control the cursor movement according to our wish when we hit enter. So if you want it to go to the left, when you hit enter it will go to left, or if you want it to go to right or up, when you hit enter it will go to the right or up. So if you still don't know that trick and if you want to learn about that trick, you can watch the previous video. Link has been shared in the description. So like we promised in the last video that in this video we will be discussing about the selected range navigation problem. So when a range of cell is selected, Excel moves down the column. When it reaches to the end of the selection in the column, then it moves to the first selected cell in the column. So we will learn how can we get rid of this problem in this video. So before we start, let me inform you that if you're watching our video first time and want to learn Excel from very basic, then you can watch this series from the beginning. I have shared the link of the playlist in the description in the I icon of this video. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, so please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification when we upload a new video. And if you're watching this video on Facebook, then don't forget to like and follow our page. So not wasting much time, let's get started. So that every one of us know that to navigate in Excel we need the navigation key to navigate from here to there, up and down and left right. But we face a problem when we have to navigate in the Excel selection range. So when we select range of the cell in a row, the Excel automatically select the next cell in the range when we press enter. If that selection consists of the multiple rows, Excel moves down the column. When it reaches to the end of the selection in the column, then it moves to the first selected cell in the next column. Suppose if I directly want to go to the this cell F3, so I don't have any option to go. We have a shortcut for this one. So we know that if we hit enter in the selection, it will move down, and when it reaches to the bottom, then it will come to the first cell of the next column. So if you want to play it in the reverse order, you have to press shift and then enter. So when I press shift enter, it will go to the reverse. And if you want it to directly go to the F3, G3, H3, I3, so you have to press tab instead of enter. So by the tab key I can go the row by row, and by enter it goes to the column by column. So if you want to play in the reverse order, you have to press shift tab and you will play it in the reverse. So to go to the reverse of this selection, you have to use the shift key and you have to press the enter or tab according to your wish. So it's time to give you one more bonus trick like we did in the previous video. So sometimes we need to enter the same data into the multiple cells. Suppose if I want to write here in E4, it will automatically go to E18. I mean, in this selection it will automatically copy. So Excel offers a handy shortcut. So all we need to do is to select all the range wherever you want to contain the data and enter the value. Suppose I just enter high, and when I press, I am done with my text or data which I want to enter in the cell, and I'll press control and then enter. And the moment I press control enter, the same information will be inserted into each cell on the selection. So this was all about the Excel tricks for today. In the next video we will be discussing about how to force text to appear on a new line within the cell. Suppose I have high. I want to write in the next line within the same cell. So how can we do that? We will learn in the next video. And if you think our video was helpful, so please like and share our video with your friends, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel if you're watching this video on YouTube, and if you're watching this video on Facebook, so please follow and like our page and keep watching. That's Accelerate. Thank you very much.